Design is everything. Everything is designed, from how this turntable was designed to where your cell phone or the pen that you were writing with. Everything has some sense of design behind it. There's an artistic view. So this is a real schematic. This is the real blueprint of Beats. I tried to find the AirPods one, but Apple wasn't releasing it yet. You know what I mean? Because that's the newest thing. But now I tell students that these are the most expensive ones of the Beats line, right? It cost me about a paycheck. You know what I mean? Because like, damn, man, right? But someone designed these. But here, when you're seeing the full design aspect, right? Oh, look at that. Oh, look, they full. Oh, look at that. Oh, someone designed that. But guess what they brought in? They brought in an acoustic scientist. Because if you got those Dollar Tree headphones, right, and you know they don't really sound that well, right? But when you got the Beats, so there's an acoustic scientist who comes in and makes sure that that thing sounds proper, right? Oh, look at this. This is 3D modeling. Oh, this is CAD right here. Oh, is that a product design? Is there an artist who needs to design these headphones? So these headphones that cost a few $100s, there was a scientist involved, there was an artist involved, there was musicians involved. That's how these headphones became, and they're still selling pretty well. So even when I look at my DJ equipment, some artist was behind it. Scientists were behind it. That's STEAM. That's what we need to tell our youth is that, hey, listen, there's so many opportunities out there.